What's up guys, Jack and Nico here with Elite Dropouts, and today Nico is going to be taking you inside the computer to give you a closer look at what marketers don't want you to know.
What is up guys, Nico with you in the building with Elite Dropouts. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in generating some type of income on the internet. The goal of this video is to point you in the right direction and really lay down the foundation that you're going to need to get started. Without any further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so in the beginning, you guys are going to be pitched so many different ways to make money. It's going to look something like this. A guru is going to teach you guys a certain skill or business model. You then are going to take that certain skill or business model and apply it to any niche in return for profit. Sound good, right? Well, what they don't teach you are the fundamental cores that go along with it. This is pretty much like teaching you guys how to do tricks on a bike without knowing how to ride a bike, or teaching you guys how to do roundhouse kicks without knowing how to properly punch. It just doesn't make sense. In this video, I'm gonna cut your learning curve virtually in half and get you started in the right direction. But before we get started, there is one more thing I want you to do. And if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do and hit that notification bell so you're reminded every single time Jack and I release a new video. You're not gonna wanna miss it. It's gonna be awesome. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so the question we gotta ask ourselves is, what is a business? And so many people have their own definition for a business, but the truth is that every single business is the same. It really comes down to getting a potential customer's attention and converting that customer into a sale. If you own a restaurant, your goal is to get people to notice your restaurant so that they can come in and you can serve them food so you can put the money in your pocket. Same thing with every single type of business. Now that you understand what a business is, let's get into the actual business model. What is the most effective business model known to mankind? The answer is direct response marketing. And this is marketing that requires an immediate response from a consumer. This type of marketing has existed forever and is never going away. In a nutshell, you build a list of customers and get those customers to buy. So, as long as people can collect people's contact information and hit them up, this type of marketing is just never gonna die. Before the internet, people would buy addresses. They then would send people an offer for information that was sent back. For example, maybe a financial company would buy 1,000 addresses of people that had white-collar jobs. They then would send a pamphlet in the mail and asking them to fill out their information if they were interested in lowering their taxes, and then send it back. The result? A list of people who are interested in lowering their taxes. Now the next step in this process would be to send those people financial offers. They then would calculate how much a response costs and how much it earns. Rinse and repeat. So fast forward, now we're in the online world. Now, the goal here is to get a customer to point A online. So you either capture the person's information or send them to an offer which then captures their information, such as an email. For example, we would calculate how much an email is worth to us. So let's say it costs $2. We then would figure out how much every single lead makes us over a certain period of time, and then simply buy traffic for less than how much it makes. We then calculate how much a captured customer's information is worth. So the big picture here is, if you have a process to consistently get people's attention, get them into your business and keep them in your business and get them to buy, you can consistently grow. There's absolutely no cap. You just duplicate the equation. So if you guys like topics like these and you are interested in watching more videos, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you don't like it, please make sure to leave a hateful comment below. Thank you so much, and see you soon.